But yeah, all of the violence and like open criminal activity that they have in the shows, like that's not realistic. Yeah, there's criminal activity. Yes, there's bad stuff happening, but it's all behind the scenes. It's very low key. They're very careful about it. You'll never see it. As a matter of fact, there's a pretty big rule that if you're going to go do something with your brothers, if you're going to go commit a crime, you are not allowed to wear anything that represents the club at all. You cannot go and say that you are members of this club while you're doing that. And a lot of the reason for that is in the 70s, the RICO Act was invented by the federal government. And if you were wearing something that represented a group when you committed a crime, they could go after the entire group. So they stopped doing that.